born and raised in Glasgow. Lived here my whole life. My friend, we grew up together. I'd been in trade school to do this, and he started working here, so I decided this is where I wanted to work at too. I grew up with these guys. I'm 27 now. Started when I was 17, so I've been here basically my whole adult life. Mark had come around to the trade schools a few times and talked to a couple of guys. I was pretty good at hands-on learning and been around a lot of this stuff for most of my life, so I just kind of fell right in. Well, growing up on a farm, you get used to fixing stuff all the time. So I've always been one that wanted to learn how to do more and more and more, working on different types of equipment, and I never want to stop learning. I want to continue to learn the whole time I work here. I've had opportunities since I started. It's all based upon, how driven you are and how far you want to go, but hardly ever do we work on the same thing twice. You might be putting in a water furnace Monday, you might be putting a rooftop package unit in Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you might be putting a cooler in, so you never know what you're going to do. Everything's just based upon how you do your job. As long as you come in, you work, everybody's going to treat you like you are family here. We all get along. We hang out outside of work. Just everybody treats you, with respect. As long as you treat them that way, they're going to give you the same amount of respect back. If you want a place that's going to give you an opportunity to learn and grow, you're not going to find a better place.